Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need the basics set, so start now. Unlock your phone, open the MyFit or ZepLife app, and sign in. Once done, confirm Bluetooth and location permissions are granted. These let your phone query the watch. Make sure the watch is powered and within 10-15 meters. Tap Devices, select your My Watch, then choose Find Device or Ring. This sends a locate signal. Listen and watch for vibration or sound. This is how the app pinpoints your watch. You should now execute core locating actions. First, trigger the watch's ring from the app and move slowly around the area. Listen for sound and feel vibration. If the watch is offline, view the last known location in the app's device details to narrow your search. Next, perform a Bluetooth sweep. Move until the phone indicates stronger signal strength. If paired with your phone, place a quick call to coax a response. These steps combine signal and once you locate the watch, reconnect and sync to ensure settings and location update, then inspect for damage. If you can't find it, use the app's lost mode or note the last known location and check nearby cameras or exits. When signals fail, restart both your phone and the watch's Bluetooth, then attempt repairing. This often restores visibility. If still unsuccessful, alert household members and retrace your last 15-minute step. Sometimes checking pockets, bags, and couch creases solves it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.